communication. Let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through.
So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video we are going to be doing a holiday hair and makeup video. I'm ready to get back into my hair bag. I miss doing like hair content, and I miss kind of doing makeup as well. I feel like my makeup and my makeup techniques are different because I'm more of a neutral girl. I like natural, neutral makeup. So for my brows, I've been using my other things that I've been using on my brows: my spiked brow pencil from MAC, my Juvia's Place dark brown brow pen. I put this on my eyebrows first. It's kind of dirty because I was using it differently before I got my Juvia's Place. So I put this MAC on first and let it dry out. And then once I fill in my brows and conceal them and things like that, then I put on the Juvia's Place dark brown black brow mascara and put this. And my real like hair on top of my head is very fine, and so are my eyebrows. They're pretty full to me still. They're not thin. I have hair all the way to the end, so I'm, you know, try to preserve them. I think this just helps. I put this on if I'm not even putting on, like doing my brows, I put this on. So in spiked, I am running out, but I do have another one, and I'm just going to carve out my brow. Very lightly. And again, this is just when I'm trying to do an extreme brow and I really just want my brows just snatched. This is what strokes in the front here. And I feel like you have to go in the direction that your hair grows. And the front of it is really the technique. I would not recommend this pen if you're not used to doing your brows with a regular pencil. I wouldn't recommend it. And I'm just going to like blend this in like regularly, like just fill in the lighter parts, because you don't want those lines that you just put in with the pen to come off too harsh. Just basically brush that product in. The pen dries out, so it's really not gonna move, but I don't like how it looks so sharp in the front. So I'm just really blending that product in. So then I'm just gonna take some concealer of 2 different shades that I put in this little MAC sampler. And I did get, and I'm not starting right under my brow. I'm starting a little bit farther down. You can't see it, but I'm starting farther down, and then I move the product upward. And this is like 1 shade, 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Take a blending brush and just blend down. I'm not blending where the product is up close here. I'm blending down here. Like I'm not touching my eyebrow at all. I do not like the halo look. The halo look is over. It been played out. You know what I'm like? No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Now if that's your thing, okay. But for the girls who want to look like just well put together with makeup, don't do that. And then I'm going to take my foundation tone and go up top here. Again, starting farther away and then blending into it. I like to go from the side with a small flat brush because I can move quicker and it just curves around that eyebrow. Here, so I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and warm that up and get it all on the brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply it. How many of y'all still like MAC? Because I'm a MAC girl, but it could be because I get so much off of MAC. That's probably why. But yeah, so make sure you bringing that down the neck, girl. Putting it around the ear. You do not want to see you do not want to see line of demarcation, okay? So I just like to go under here and go back here. I do like to bring out my widow's peak in my lip. I think this is called a widow's peak. No, that's for your hair. Oh God. Back to me. So I'm going to start off under the eye. And you can start your eyeshadow, your brows first. It's whatever you're comfortable with. I should have started my eyeshadow first. I don't know why I haven't been doing that. When I do like more shimmers and I'm going to be doing just a little bit more color, I like to do my eyeshadow first. But most of the time I just like to do skin because I'm a skin girl. Like, I love for my makeup to, it's about the skin part of the makeup. My foundation, my concealer, my contour, bronzers, blushes, like that's what I'm into. So then I'm gonna go in with my 24-hour MAC Studio Fix in, this is NW55. Is it? Don't I have this in my foundation? No, this is NC55. This is NW. So warm, cool. And then I kind of don't do my forehead, but when I just want to do something and be a little extra, I'll do my forehead. But just a little bit. Brush. Well, this is not really it. So I'm going to take this brush here. I just like using this brush. It just gets the job done. And then I like to go up. Pat and go up. Pat and go up. Like when you first start to blend this out, it looks like a pile of mud. But you have to blend it. So then I'm going to set my skin. With me setting my makeup, I'm going to go in with NW45, NW44, and NW46. They don't look that different, but they are cool, warm. And sometimes I like to go in with a loose powder, but I really like to go in with a pressed powder because you're literally pressing it in. So I'm just gonna tap on both with a sponge. Tap on both. In here, I'm literally like pressing and rolling on my skin. So I'm just setting where I want my product. That with my Juvia's Place, my loose powder, just a little bit. This is in banana, I think. Very lightly. Just all over the lid, girl. I think I'm going to do a very dramatic wing eyeliner, to be honest. So I just want my eyeshadow to be very neutral. And even if you use the same shade all over the lid, once you open your eye and you move in certain directions, it's still going to look like it could be more than one color. I'm going to start from the corner. I always start from the corner, but it depends on if I want it to go straight across or up. So I'm going to take it up so slightly. Okay, now I'm messing up. So when I do that, I'm gonna drag it and try to fix it just with the point. And I have to cover the line that I messed up, so I'm going to drag it in, lift my head up, and I always do my triangle first. I'll show you guys what I mean. So yes, this is pretty dramatic. I don't think I'm going to keep it like that. So I just take my pencil that I used for my brows, and I'm just going to clean that up. See there? And fill in my triangle. And like I said, I don't wear this every day. I'm just going to take a line here and fill it in and go up. And you can leave it like this. You don't have to always go all the way across with your eyeliner, but I am. So I'm going to take my mascara from Milani, the highly rated mascara, my favorite mascara.